Hi everyone, let's talk about Greenidge Generation Holdings. It's a company that owns and operates Bitcoin mining and power generation facilities in the New York. Financial health, 5 out of the 6. Trading is happening 69% below the site's estimated fair valuation. Revenue is forecasted to grow 69% per year, and they become profitable this year. On the risk side, there's a high level of no cash earnings, has less than 3 years of financial data available. So they went on the market back in September. If we take a close look, September 15th, the highest point were then $60 actually. It was dropping since that. Actually, there's a closing. But anyway, if we take a closer look, so from the 60 to lowest point 2002, so that means pretty like 60% downside. And actually this is not something that would beat the US software industry that they're working in, and also the US market. About the company, this is actually pretty old company, 1937, 45 employees. And here's the fundamental summary. Market cap 822 million, revenue 39 million, and earnings 3. So you can calculate from that P ratio is 258. That's pretty high. Valuation side, fair valuation should be around $66 per share. That's based on simple Wall Street. Tip ranks has better, $78 per share. That is meaning 200% upside, but of course I'm not sure did they count it from fundamentals or trend analyze, or where this number come from. Anyway, Market Watch has even better. At highest point, $82 per share, the stock price target. Future growth, as I said, 59%. We've seen a little bit volatility on the earnings side, so it decreased to the negative side based on, actually it's forecasting. So the actual evaluation currently that they informed lastly, end of June, there were 3 million, as I said, at the earnings, and it's actually forecasted to decrease with the growing revenue. So from the 39 million in revenue to 117 million, and with that it actually forecasted that there could be some of the loss of profit margin anyway, and earnings per share growth is forecasted pretty stable around 0 EPS. Past performance, last year's revenue growth 223%. Do we have this here same numbers? Actually not, but the shares outstanding significantly increased, so 0.04 millions, and nowadays 28 million. So they did raise a lot of cash. We should check here, by the way. GREE has high level of non-cash earnings. And if we look at the financial health, so where's the cash that they pumping? They actually did had from the 5 million to 39, currently 37. The debt is racing. 18 million, equity 92 million, cash 37. So they do have a lot of cash. Debt to equity ratio 20%. Balance sheet looks mostly green. Not paying dividends. Insider transactions, no volumes. Top shareholders. Actually, institutions holding this 72%. General public 24, insiders 3. Top shareholders. We see here a biggest shareholder, Brookfield Asset Management, holding 544 million, 69%. There's actually president, independent vice chairman, independent directors holding a lot of shares here also as well. We see here BlackRock, that is good, and also Vanguard is here also. pretty good, and Finviz shows that this is currently, we see that support level is at $20. Resistance might be, who knows where it comes. So it actually had the resistance somewhere around here, around $30. If it reached $30, then bounce back to the 20, that could be possibly the channel. But of course, it's not sure, and this is not any financial advice that you hear on my channel. Anyway, the volumes are getting high once again, almost 20 million. So it's liquid company. All time, this is minus 35%. So be careful, guys. Try to diversify your business. And this is soaring because someone said because it was included into iShares microcap ETF. Who knows? Anyway, investing.com started this stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. And if we look at the comments, October 26, B. Risley raises GREE price targets to 82. Yeah, they have a lot of expansion plans. I know that. Today we continue that the crypto rally. Actually, there's another one's the last peak around $11 to $12. Then we'll be double it. BitConnect, actually they say a lot of the price of the Bitcoin could possibly affect on this one too. The profit in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Short sells this to 0. HF make me rich. I made already huge profits in reinvestment in IMC thanks to you dark pool support. Hyped up scam. This is October 13th, so what was the... Actually, it's not even here. Actually, yeah. This, yeah, okay. October 13th. Yeah, so it drops significantly, and after that, they all trying to say that this is a scam. But anyway, totally. If we come back to the first comments, so do we find it here? Because there would be a lot of good information. I'm not sure what... This is actually the September. What was the first day? So September 15th, this went on the market. Do not play option game until you know what they're doing. Support.com letter. Any price below 20 is buy. This is not on the meme list anymore. The back holders are on their own. This is likely Wall Street bets here. So here we see that Wall Street bets were here also. Squeeze coming for support and close. These two companies are on the list, and if you are interested in this kind of companies, there are. I made already the review of these companies. Hi guys, I have dubbed what happens with the stock in my portfolio after the merge. I have 1,500 stocks. The ratio of change will be. Have your forecasting price of the new. I'm not sure. Did they? Possibly there was a merger here. I'm not sure though. By the dip, I have call. Losing my portfolio when the merger day today evening. Buy it, hold it, grade A. This is a typical. So this is actually very important information. This have been decreasing since the merging. So there's a lot of companies that do that. So be careful. Try to calculate the PE ratio. If the PE ratio is too high, try to look at the company. Try to first diversify your portfolio. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy to get rich very fast. And try to actually take more look of the fundamental stocks. So Finviz, maps, like researching this kind of stocks, 1 year return, there's the returns, the possibility. You can, for example, research the United Health. They made almost 50% per year. They are also paying the dividends. Current dividend yield is around 1.28, 1.3% of percentage. Financial sector, credit services. Try to research the Visa. Try to research the MasterCard. Technology companies, Microsoft, Apple, they are all, if you are willing to invest in dividends stocks with the growth potential, these are the best from the S&P 500, or you could buy the low-cost ETF fund. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.